Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 7, 2023. 2-star Sudoku. Column F, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come in these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 7, 5. 6th row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 8. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 2, 5, 3 and 1. Then 4 number can't come the 2 cells. It will come in another 4 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th row and 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, 9th row and 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 is confirmed here. 2nd row and 3rd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 1. Column H also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row and 3rd row, column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 3. 3rd row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 10th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 6. 10th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 2nd grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Column B, column D, we have 4. 3rd row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, 3rd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 8. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, we get 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.